Dayap
for
2024.
our Board of Judges for Ginoo at Binibining Dayap 2024. And may we also invite here on stage our Honorable Barangay Chairman Domingo Odehe together with SK Chairman Honorable Leonard Hernandez.
Lalapit na guys, lumapit tayo sa stage guys para makita natin yung kanilang mga candidates sa Binibining Dayap 2024.
Alright, once again, may we call on our SK Chairman, Honorable Leonard Hernandez, sa ating ama ng Barangay Dayap, Honorable Domingo M. Odehe.